looking at Hollywood celebrity Rihanna, who's posted on the Farmer's Stir. Now, a host of high-profile Indian celebrities have come forward to counter Rihanna after the international icon tweeted in support of farmers' protest. Celebrities like Akshay Kumar, Sunil Shetty, Ajay Devgan, Karan Johar, Ekta Kapoor have now put out their statements on Twitter with the hashtag India Against Propaganda. They urged people to take comprehensive views of things and not fall for propaganda. Actor Kangana Ranaut also slammed Rihanna in her characteristic belligerent way. In fact, Kangana Ranaut called Rihanna a fool and said that nobody is talking about the protest at Delhi borders because the ones holding the agitation are not farmers but terrorists. Meanwhile, there are some who have backed Rihanna as well. Diljit Dosanjh has appreciated Rihanna by releasing a new song only in honor of her, titled Riri. In the 2-minute song, Diljit talks about Rihanna's home country, Barbados, and how she is an angel. Actor Richa Chadda, Swara Bhaskar have also come out in support of Rihanna. Let me quickly cut across to our reporters joining us, Gaurav Sawant, Pia Hingorani. I'll cut across to Gaurav. We are looking at the Ministry of External Affairs now, who's taken sharp objection to what Rihanna has put out. In fact, in a series of statements, the MEA has clearly asked Rihanna or any other celebrities for that matter, quite a few from the West, asking them to be better informed about the farm laws. In fact, the MEA has put out the perspective of the government as well, and eventually has said that this kind of irresponsible statements can really agitate those who are already in protest.
You're absolutely right, Nabila. At this point of time, what government sources are telling India today, that this appears to be a coordinated move by forces that want to destabilize our country at this point of time. Government is very clear, and they're putting facts out in public domain so that half-baked information, half-truths and absolute lies do not rule the roost on the farm protests. And that is why the Ministry of External Affairs went on record to say that this was a bill, or these were bills that were passed in Parliament after due deliberation. That's point one. Point two, the government has held 11 rounds of talks with the protesters. Government sources also saying that they are putting out in public domain facts about an agreement that had taken place between the farmer unions and the Delhi police on the route that the protest was supposed to take on Republic Day. The violence and vandalism that followed, following which government had to take certain measures in self-defense or in defense of the police, because government wants to put this out in public domain that the protesters are our own people. You cannot use lethal or kinetic force when you're dealing with farmers or protesters or union leaders, whatever, maybe they're grouse, they want to talk to them and sort it out. But if there is a repeat of what happened on the Republic Day, when tractors were used as battering ram to slam through barricades and almost launch, as the Delhi police says, murderous assault on Delhi police personnel, with some having life-threatening injuries, they have no alternative but to ensure that there is no repeat of this on the February 6th Chakka Jam. And they want the world to know facts in the correct perspective. That is why it's not just the MEA, but government ministers are putting this statement out in public domain for all to see.
Sure, thank you very much, Gaurav, for joining us. Let me cut across to Pia Hingorani. Pia, Bollywood A-listers now coming forward. So far, they've been mum, but the moment Hollywood celebrities have spoken out, we're looking at reactions coming in. Akshay Kumar has jumped in, Ajay Devgan, Sunil Shetty, Karan Johar, Ekta Kapoor. It's surprising. Take us through what really is the sentiment within Bollywood itself.
Absolutely, Nabila. The fact that, up until now, no one had really spoken out about it. In fact, when we asked them about the farmers' protests and what was going on in the country, they actually refrained from commenting on this. And now, after Rihanna's tweet last night, everyone has come out, and it's interesting to see how the narrative is almost the same. They're talking about how the farmers are the backbone of our country and how we need to stand united and not let the so-called international forces divide us. But it's also interesting to note that, after Rihanna put out her tweet, of course, where she got a lot of flack from Kangana Ranaut, a lot of international celebrities like Lily Singh, Greta Thunberg and others, Mia Khalifa, all of them actually came out in support of Rihanna and actually applauded her for speaking out. And let me tell you, this is not the first time that Rihanna has actually spoken about something like this. Even in the past, she has, condemned Trump or, talked about political issues, even in her own country, or the immigration laws that came in USA. So, now her commenting on this does not come as a surprise, but the fact that suddenly Bollywood has woken up, social media is, all over, while they are also praising Bollywood to finally get a spine and speak up. They are also wondering why, what suddenly happened that, the entire forces, all the actors and the directors and producers to actually step up,
Right.
and whether they were actually asked to do that. That is a big question mark that is on, the social media users' minds at the moment.
Right? Pia, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.